Show me that smile again.
Show me that smile.
Don't waste another minute on your crying.
Oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna go airbrush today. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna clean.
Huh? You're gonna play with cat poop. Cat poop.
Yeah.
8,000 cats worth of cat poop. That is the cat poop master! Yeah. We'll teach you how to make a scale template. We use our donor box. It can be beer, it can be soda, it can be whatever you want. Use the back side because it's easier to draw on. Took the ruler, drew a straight line. Pretty simple. Ooh, fancy. This one's kind of worn out, but I just found the middle. Put tape either side so I can just line this guy up. Make it so you can see the line. Draw it right in. And you come down, and when you do the next one, make it so you can see the line. Bring it up so you can see that line. So you got like a little box right there. So you see that line, you see that one?
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life.
Over there, wall to wall. Gonna organize that, clean it up, make it look better, and then just work my way around the shop till Dustin has the prettiest shop in Kansas. Consolidating space. Already made a little spot for me to stand. It smells really bad up here. It's like the war of a million cats happened up here. Spider Patrol. This chair's still gotta move, but I'm making progress. I really don't like ladders. I'm gonna get up here and get back to work.
When you want to clean your windshields, newspaper. Best thing ever. It works great. It does not leave any lint. Everybody's like, use Windex and use a paper towel. And then you got all this white stuff. Nope. Newspaper. And it works great on chrome too. See? It looked like that.
Look like that. Oh, that. I love you guys. I know you're out there watching. I can see you. Put your shirt back on. All right. I don't go like that except for you. Yeah. I love you. I love all of you. Welcome to the Finkton.
Oh, yeah. Everybody loves me. I'll be just about as happy as I can be. Mr. Jones and me.
BJ's got his pants on.
I have pants on because of flies, not because it's cold, because there's 8 million flies because he's been playing with cat poop. That's a true story of a lovely lady who was raising up 3 very lovely girls.